Step 1. Assess yourself. Look at yourself. Look at your home. Look at the people around you. Are they necessary? Do you need them? Do the things you surround yourself with help you be the person you want to be? Or do they help you get to the places you want to go? Assess yourself. Step 2. Cleanse. Wash away your fears. Wash away your insecurities, the pressures, the expectations others have set for you. Realize that each new day is your opportunity to try again or keep trying. Strip yourself of everything that is unnecessary. This is your life, your choices. Everything else is just background noise. Step 3. Exfoliate. Do you know what exfoliating means? It's the process of removing dead skin to make room for new skin. We need that in our lives. We need to get rid of dead weight and all that heavy baggage so we can make room for growth. You know that saying, diamonds are just lumps of coal that have undergone immense amounts of pressure? You're that diamond. And the experiences, the lessons you've learned, the scrapes, the bruises, the heartaches, those are things that'll turn you into a bright, shiny diamond. But you also need to learn to let go. You need to exfoliate. Step 4. Treat. Self-care isn't just about luxury. The massages, the vacations, spas, shopping, it's a lot more than that. It's fixing the areas of our lives that need improvement. It's learning to heal from the things that wear us down and keep us up at night. It's learning to look back but not linger from the things we've walked away from. It's learning to forgive ourselves. That's treatment. Step 5. Nourish. What do you do with your plants? You fertilize them. What do you do with your skin? You moisturize it, tone it, and you add serums to it. But what do you do for yourself? How do you nourish your soul? You read books, you learn something new, you go for a walk and look at the trees, the skies, you engage in healthy discourse. You nourish yourself. You feed your soul. Nourish yourself. Step 6. Protect. Protect the things that you've strived so hard for. Protect your inner peace. Protect your heart. Protect your energy. Protect the things that protect you. Your skin, the ones you love, your home, the clothes on your back that keep you warm. Protect the things that give you meaning and allow you to get up in the morning and say, I can do anything I set my heart on. Protect, nourish, treat, exfoliate, cleanse, assess, repeat. These are the 6 steps to self-care. For the products seen in this video, check out Dermaction Plus by Watsons. A link to exclusive Bayhana deals is provided in the description box below. Try out their call to deliver service or drop by the closest Watsons near you. The rest, however, is up to you. Self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. Now treat yourself. For more videos like this, follow ByTV on Facebook and Bayhana on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!